So crypto scored a major win today. Another blow was dealt to the SEC with Grayscale winning their court case today. So obviously we had the Ripple case. Now we had the Grayscale case. So the question you might be asking yourself, if you saw today, Bitcoin actually jumped back up over $28,000, moving $1,800 or so today. Great day for crypto. Everything was up, but Shiba Inu really wasn't up as much today. And I want to kind of talk to you about that in this video and give you some insight into kind of what do I think. So what do you guys think? Drop in the comments below. This is your first glimpse into my new studio. It's not quite set up. I just literally was able to come in here, start recording. I've got kind of the LED lights thing I can change here. I got my little remote. I can change colors. Obviously, there's kind of green. I still got something, see right there, right there. There's a cut in the wallpaper. So there's stuff they have to fix. Obviously, there's even like I'm finding issues like there's bubbles in the wallpaper. They're going to have to fix these things. So again, not fully back up and running, but you're getting the first kind of glimpse. Had a logo made. Whoop, wrong shoulder. That's cool. That's all wood and like aluminum, all that kind of stuff. So I'll give you guys a tour later, but just getting in here. So I'm excited about kind of recording. My microphone's not set up, so the audio is not quite as good as I want, etc. Okay. Now with that said, let's take a look at what is going on right now. As you know, SHIB is really up only 0.76 as of the recording of this video. Not done a lot today. It was up today a little bit. You can see it did get up into like the 8.4 range, kind of in that range right there. Okay, so what happened? We know. Remember, Grayscale, as I mentioned, basically won their court case against the SEC related to kind of their Bitcoin ETF and things of that nature. So this was good news. This was a massive, major win for crypto in the context of the continued, winning the battles, if you will, against the SEC. Okay. So what happened here, though, is I really want to point this out, is the way that kind of crypto works is the money first flows into Bitcoin, right? Then it goes into Ethereum, and then it kind of comes into all the major altcoins as far as kind of new money coming back into crypto. Okay. So in that context, not a lot of money yet coming back into SHIB, but it will come. It is going to happen. What we need is an overall consensus. We need this right here. See this fear and greed index where my mouse is, to go back up to 50s and move back up into this green. We need positive sentiment for all of crypto to start to kind of come in. I want to show you something interesting on the trading view chart here. So what you're looking at here is this is SHIB on the 1-day chart. Okay. And you can see right now we are in kind of this momentum down mode here. Okay. So that's kind of where we're at. So that's where we've got this right here, kind of this consolidation, factor going on right here. You see that. So we've got that going on, but really what I'm waiting on is another one of these coming into play right here. Now, I want to point this out. We've got momentum up on the daily chart. I want to show you a couple of things. When this next alert triggers, by the way, this is my software. This is my trading indicator software. You can get this down in the description below. I want to show you something. Look, back in January, it gave a momentum up on the 1-day chart. It gave a momentum up, and each one of these candles is a 1 day's worth of data. I want to show this to you. This is how you can measure how much this percentage move up was. So after that candle right there, up all the way to that momentum down is a 63% positive move up. My software signaled it and then signaled a momentum down because the momentum started changing to move back down. And that was from January 11th through the 7th of February. That was basically less than 1 month. SHIB moved up 63%. Okay, then basically buy, sell, right? Okay, another one right here, but then another one, a couple of them right here. Look at this one right here that started back in July. I want to show you this one, like momentum up, basically up to right there. It's a 40% gain. Okay, so shows that my software works, right? It's absolutely unequivocally working. So now I want to go back to my illustration. When is the next one going to happen? And wouldn't you like to be alerted to when there's a momentum up so that you can buy SHIB and then ride it up to the next momentum down. Remember, each one of these is 1 day worth of candles, right? Wouldn't you like to know this? Down in the description below, you can get access to my software. There's a discount code down there. You can get it and you can try it for yourself. And I'm going to point out something. I give you a no questions asked 30-day money back refund guarantee. Try my software. If you don't like it, you can get a complete refund. I don't care if you use it for 29 days and 12 hours. It doesn't matter. Okay. By the way, I have monthly, quarterly, and yearly. The discount code below works on any of these options, so you can choose whichever one works for you. And that discount down there takes us to about 37 bucks. As cheap as there is no indicator out there that is cheaper. It works. It just showed you guys that this worked. And this is what I'm waiting on right here. When my indicator says momentum up, I'm buying more. Okay. And it will paint that alert. By the way, this works on any and all devices, Android, Apple, desktop, can be used anywhere in the world, works for any and all crypto. You can use this for any other cryptos that you want, XRP, Bitcoin, any of these, right? Stocks, this is Netflix, Amazon, stock, doesn't matter. You can buy it, you can use it. The technology works for any crypto out there, any stock out there, Forex, commodities, futures, all that kind of stuff. Links in the description below. Check it out. And I want to tell you that I appreciate you. Thank you for your time. Thank you for giving me a few minutes to watch my video. I really appreciate you guys. And just thank you. All right. So please, please, please take me up on the offer to try out my trading indicator. It's basically 37 bucks with a discount. You have nothing to lose. 30-day refund policy. Just get it. Try it. Links in the description below. See you.